anteriores, hay 14.000 capas.
Gastronomía que también se
And then we have Gloria magazine for food and wine. And she will tell.
That's quite rich in comparison with the region. And because Guernica's law, we have this kind of self-governance. And to apply different policies concerning health, education, because of historical reasons, but especially because the first thing is that I have prepared very little. I have to say because it's a question of Basque Country, Biscay, Guipúzcoa, San Sebastian.